Today we are going to do candle fire magic. First we got this candle made of paraffin wax. See, the paraffin wax is melted on the top of the candle. So the paraffin wax goes through the thread and turns into paraffin gas. Then the paraffin gas reacts to oxygen molecules to make it shine. Now I am going to blow this candle and we are going to light it up without touching the thread. See, you know why? Because the paraffin gas is going through the smoke and going up. Because the paraffin gas is going up in the air. And if we light it up again on the smoke, it will start to light again. Thank you.